everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and we are unboxing Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. We are on day number 6, and I'd love to share what we received today in our little baggie here. This is what it looks like, number 6. All right, let's see what we got. There's so much stuff in this bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. All right, so we got So Light Fusible Adhesive, a 17-inch by 18-inch cut. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, so this is another pattern. We got Word of the Day pillow, and it's a project for scraps, a little welcome pillow here. And you can make various sizes, so you can actually make a 16-inch by 16-inch, you can make a 12-inch by 20-inch, and you can make a 20-inch by 36-inch. Here are all the different requirements here for fabric, for the different options. And it looks like these might be applique letters, I believe, and that's why we have the fusible. There you go. So you get a little introduction to applique if you've never done it before. So because this is a scrappy pattern here for the pillow, I thought what's really great is you can also use some of your charm packs if you didn't use them all for your little cat and dog mug rugs. So that's a really great use for using up the rest of these scraps. Wow. All right, I did not think that Jenny would give us acrylic templates here. I guess they're not even like acrylic, they're a little bendy, but plastic templates for these letters. I'm shocked right now. I felt like we would have like paper letters that we'd have to cut out or something. And I think this is the entire alphabet. So you don't even have to put welcome. You could put anything. You could put home, you could put your name, your daughter's name. You could literally do anything. It's the entire alphabet. This is so amazing. And like I said, it's a really sturdy plastic, not necessarily like a template plastic, like you would have for a ruler or something. So you'd have to be really careful. This is a great use of that little 35mm blade that we got. Let me see if I can find it over here somewhere. This is so perfect. Or I guess you could even just trace it out onto paper if you're nervous about cutting into the template, but this would be perfect for this. Not only do we get every single letter of the alphabet, so 26 letters, we also get a hashtag. How awesome is that? So you could do hashtag MSQC for Missouri Star. You could do hashtag anything. This is so cute. Hashtag family, hashtag Christmas. I love this so much. Okay, and then there's a cute little carrying case here. It looks like this might slide out. This little paper, yeah, there's like a little tag here that you can actually slide out and you can name it whatever you want to name it, alphabet or whatever you want. And then you can slide it back in and then close it all up. So perfect. It looks like you can also put it in a 3-ring binder right here. Wow, I feel like Missouri Star just thinks of everything when they think of these gifts. It's amazing. They must have the greatest, most inventive team. Everything is just so perfected. Oh my gosh. All right, let me know what you thought of this one. Like I said, I just feel like every single day it just gets better and better and better. There is nothing that I could say that I don't like. I feel like everything is just amazing so far. I am so excited that we are opening this together. I will see you tomorrow for day number 7. Bye, everybody.